Unlock the power of two-way communication by learning to receive SMS messages with Twilio. First, head over to Twilio's website and sign up for a free trial account. Don't worry, you won't need a credit card to get started once you're in. You'll be greeted by your Twilio console dashboard. Now, we need a Twilio phone number that can actually receive texts. Navigate to the phone numbers section and select Manage, click on Buy a Number, and choose a number that has SMS capabilities enabled. With your new Twilio number in hand, it's time to tell Twilio where to send those incoming messages. Go to the messaging section. Then, Settings. Here, you'll find the Webhook configuration for incoming messages. This Webhook URL is where your application will listen for incoming texts. For now, you'll need to set this up in a moment. We'll touch on how your application will process these messages. To handle incoming SMS, your application needs to listen for HTTP requests at the Webhook URL you just configured. When a message arrives, Twilio will send data about it to this URL. Your application code will then parse this data to extract the sender's phone number and the message content. This is where the magic happens. Circumflex euros. You can then use this information to build custom responses, trigger actions, or log the message. Think of it as your application opening up a text message conversation. By connecting your Twilio number to your application via a webhook, you're creating a bridge to receive user input directly through SMS. This opens up a world of possibilities for building interactive experiences, from automated customer support to SMS-based games. And that's the fundamental process. You've successfully set up Twilio to receive SMS and have a clear understanding of how your application will process those incoming messages, laying the groundwork for dynamic communication applications.